Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a basic idea and turning it into a 3D dining table built in SketchUp on the iPad. No plugins, no shortcuts, just the classic tools. Stick around because by the end you will see how a few simple tricks can give you a designer level render. Let's jump in. First thing first, let's get a clean workspace. Switch to plan view, parallel projection, delete the solid or default model guy. Next step, insert your image. 3 dots, insert image. Scale and tag it. And if you are wondering about tags, don't worry, I have explained them in another video. Now the fun part, tracing. Using the line and 2-point arc tools, I am sketching just half of the leg profile. Pinch to zoom, slide to pan, get in there and trace nice and clean. Half a profile is all we need. Move your image aside, time to rotate. Grab that traced profile, rotate it exactly 90 degrees and snap it to the origin. Circle time, draw a circle, delete the face, select the path and click the follow me tool with your Apple Pencil. Look at that, a beautiful table leg in seconds. Group it, measure it, tweak the scale, let's make the tabletop. Rectangle tool, 3 feet by 5 feet 6 inches. Move it on the top of the leg. Give it thickness with push-pull and add soft curves with the 2-point arc and follow me trick. Why build 4 legs from scratch when we can copy like a pro? Flip along the red axis. Then flip along the green axis. Four perfect mirrored legs, nice and easy. Let's make this table rock solid. Create the support braces. Group them. Push-pull for a 1-inch thickness. Place them properly. Copy and rotate for all sides. Now this table can hold a feast. Time to bring this scene to life. Open the material panel, grab some stone textures for the top. Rich wood for the legs and apply them. Hop into 3D warehouse, download some tableware, vases or plants and drop them right onto the tabletop. Watch that plain model turn into something stylish. Now here is the exciting part. I am importing this table into the residential model I have been building in my earlier tutorials. If you have been following the series, you will know the house layout is coming together beautifully. And if you are new here, don't worry, I have added a playlist in the description so you can catch up on the full journey. From floor plan to furniture placement, it's all there. Now let's make it pop visually. Head into the styles panel, play with edges, shadows, backgrounds. You can make it sketchy, clean, dramatic, whatever matches your vibe. This is where you make it yours. And here is where you really level up. Hit the diffusion feature and render your masterpiece. The wood gleams, the stone shines, shadows fall perfectly, and suddenly you are looking at a professional render made on an iPad with no plugins. How cool is that? If this helped you out, tap that like button, hit subscribe for more, and drop a comment on what you want to see me build next. Thanks for watching. Now go create something amazing. Bye bye.